Yo guys, so we're finally back for one last video on the Vauxhall Astra. I know a lot of you are interested in this car, so I'm just going to quickly show you the final finished product. I am kind of happy with it, at the same time I'm not. Reason being, I'm going to show you right now. So let's flip the camera around, and here we have it guys. As you can see, the repair itself, I'm happy with the repair. Excellent job. I mean, the last video you guys saw was me putting the doors on, but now you can see that the body shop has got this quarter panel done to perfection. So there's no way you can see that it was damaged previously. There's no signs of the damage. The doors have been painted inside out, but as I said, I'm not really happy with something, and that is the color match of the paint. I knew it's going to be a bit of a pain. Being the color it is, it's a bronze, so that's not really a problem because it's just a cheap car. What they could have done at the body shop was blended the wing in, which I did tell them to do, but when I went to pick the car up, obviously it wasn't done. Now you can see the entire side's been painted, so if that had been blended, there would have been a smaller chance of seeing the color difference. Another thing I wasn't happy with was when I went to collect the car. If you can see that there's still a ding there. Now I'm not sure whether that happened before and the guys missed it, or whether that happened at the parking lot. They did give me a bit of a discount, £50 off, but obviously I would rather have the car nicely done. And yeah, there you have it. Fresh looking car, other than obviously a bit of color mismatch. But like I said guys, that's not too much of a problem because this car is just a cheap run around, and the body shop did do a good job of the actual repair itself. Would I use the body shop again after they done a job like that? I would, because this is one of my better body shops that I use. I did say in a previous video that I've got different levels of body shops that I use when it comes to good work and bad work or something. I'm not too fussed about if it's a cheaper car, I'll just get a quick job done on it. This body shop that's done the repair on this, they are the better body shop. So like I said, the repair there, again, they've done a fantastic job. So I can't fault them with the repair, it's just the color that I'm not happy with. So these are another two cars the body shop has repaired for me. As you can see, they've painted this bumper on this one, and this one had quite a big repair on it, which they did for me also. So I had a complete new rear quarter panel fitted, and then the entire side was painted on this one, and rear bumper also. I'm not going to go into these cars because I didn't document anything on these cars, so there's no point me going into them in such detail. But yeah, these are another two cars that were repaired. And yeah, so I'm gonna get back into the office and give you a little breakdown of the costs. It did cost me a little more than I expected to repair the Astra, but I'll go through that now. Okay guys, so now a breakdown of the costs and whether I think it was still worth the repair on the Astra. So let me give you some figures. So the car cost us £1,798, just call it 1,800. The two doors cost us £200, and the repair itself, the paint work cost us £700. Now the body shop did say to me if I pay another extra £100 I can get the front wing blended in, which is, to be fair, a good deal. But yeah, so that was the cost of the repair, which came to a total of £2,700, £2,800 with the little cost like fuel and then taking time out to go there. Obviously I've not factored them in, but yeah, it's still a cheap price for that car, £2,800. £4,000 I reckon I could get for that car if I sold it. It's a nice clean car, and as you saw, the repair was done to a good standard. I know the paint is slightly off, but that can be sorted if we just blend the wing in. So I am looking for a new project. It is quite difficult at the moment. Obviously you got to factor in costs of purchasing a car and the repair itself. So what I was thinking was I could do maybe a project, I don't know, you guys tell me, buy a project like a performance car, have it repaired, and then maybe offer it to you guys at cost price, and then you can make some sort of money on it as a profit. That's one of my ideas. Let me know if you guys would, if there's any interest in that, if one of you viewers would want to purchase a car off me at cost price. I've got plans to obviously finish off the M2. That is finished, but I just need to do a finishing video on that. That will be done in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, guys, just let me know what you want to see, and I shall try and do. In the meantime, I will be looking for that new project, and I shall see you guys soon. So peace out.